Ho ho ho, it is Chris with the Rockabilly Customs channel. If y'all know the movie this is from, y'all understand that one. Well, that kind of tells you right there. You know what time of season it is? It is Christmas. So I want to show y'all what's the first video of getting this damn Maverick back up and going. And then I also want to show you a little sneak peek of what the second video is going to start at. Let me flip the camera around, jump in the car, and I'll show you what it is! Alright, we're getting good. We in the car. We in my Maverick. Flip the camera around. Well, don't that look a little fancy? Well, by shot golly, yes it does. Alright, what are we looking at? Well, let's turn the light on. Boom, we got the light on. Now you can see all the mess that's under there I gotta fix. Isn't the foot pedal out there? Well, that is the factory bezel for the radio. You know, for the Mavericks and Comets, they had the little center section, the two little holes on the side for your volume and your station. You want to change it. So, but I wanted to keep it, and I didn't want to spend no $300-400 on a custom retrofit radio that don't even have a CD player to it, or because CD is going out of date, or even Bluetooth. But I had this really nice Kenwood 7-color CD player, Bluetooth, Pandora, iHeartRadio setup on here. Too bad it doesn't have Sirius satellite radio. That sucks. But hey, I ain't gonna argue. So what I did is I took a little cutoff wheel and cut it out and took some JB Weld and glued one of those metal traps in, and where the radio slides right in. And boom, it's in. Sounds damn good. You want to check that video out? I'm editing it right now, and then we're going to post on to YouTube and maybe TikTok if it goes under 10 minutes. Okay, well, off to the next one. My package tray that goes underneath my dash, it broke. Oh no. Oh well, at least I got epoxy to fix it. Well, don't you look pretty? Hell no, it don't. It's a very rough skeleton of a gauge cluster. Those are the gauges I got from Speedway Motors for over 2 years ago. And I got blue lights coming with it. They'll be here this week, some point in time. But you know the metal trim that was kind of chrome around the radio? Do you see a pattern that I want to go with? Yeah, that's why. So now the deal is, this looks ugly as could be. So next thing is come with a grinder and grind the living hell out of it. Make it nice and smooth. Make all no burrs on the road, stab you, and make it bleed everywhere. Bleed. Okay? Then it's take some body filler and just throw a thin coat of body filler on after I take the hammer and dolly to it. Make sure it's fine tuned. And wipe it on, sand it down. Put primer filler on it. Sand that down. Then spray paint over it. Let that flash. Then clear coat it. And then those two holes up there that I drilled, take the hardware and bolt it in. Then wire my gauges in when the blue lights show up. So hopefully it'll shine blue. Da! Alright, well with that, I'm going to go inside and celebrate Christmas with my in-laws. So, the road to the Maverick being on the road going is coming up pretty quickly. We are getting back into this. The Durango is going to go bye-bye to whoever wants to buy it. Get that damn thing out of my hair. So, yeah. You can go check out that video to learn about that. Of course, I'm going to post it on the marketplace to see if anybody locally around here. And you want to know what's behind me? Those are rats. Because I have a reptile channel. It's called Reptiles and Oddities. Go check that out if you want to. So, I don't know if this is going to make it onto Instagram, but I'll take pictures, of course, and I'll put it on there. So, yeah, I'm going a little crazy around here if you haven't noticed. I need some whiskey. God dang it. We got to get these cars going. I want to get Rockabilly Customs monetized. I want to host car meets. I want to host a barbecue. You know barbecue. We close to Texas. We get that Texas barbecue. Okay, I'm going to say, Merry Christmas, everybody, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.